it whispers low from cliffs where the wildest waters flow. A cascade of dreams where time stands still. Each drop is a promise, each one a thrill. The sky trades secrets with the stream. Golden rays ignite this endless dream. The rhythm of nature, a rising tide, a force so vast with nothing to hide. Rise and fall, hear the roar reclaim the skies. Feel the call where the endless echoes rise. Through the storm, through the calm, you will see every drop in the fall sets you free. The cliffs they watch with ancient grace, crowning the earth with a timeless embrace. A symphony sings through weathered stone. The water, its voice forever alone. The drums they roll like a thunderous heart, sits awakened where shadows depart.